We're to bring back the essence of real battle rap, hip hop in its purest form. I'm gonna get right to it today. Usually I say shout out to the real battle rap community, but Tay Roc, don't come at the goat like that. Make this the last time you come at the goat like that. If you want to battle, just say you want to battle, okay? Because you're thirsty like the rest of them, okay? You want your biggest payday too. You got animosity towards Cassidy too, right? Remember something. It's your opinion that Cassidy lost the battle, so your feelings will be, and I'm not saying your feelings will be based on your opinion that you're saying that Cassidy lost, but I'm saying you're getting in your emotions now, right? You're getting in between Surf and Cassidy, right? Cave Gang, because Cassidy made a diss track towards Surf, but it's a reason why a diss track came out towards Surf, and now you're trying to step in the way. And this is what I want to clarify with you, Tay Roc. First of all, you got on CC's Instagram Live. You start cursing him out over a training room, right? You start cursing like you were some thug. You never did nothing about it, right? Now all of a sudden, you're trying to act like some soldier for Surf. And here's one of the people that was prominent in and instigating that situation, bringing it to the forefront. But you're on the front line standing trying to fight for him against the GOAT, the person you did a song with. But I understand. You want your biggest bag, right? But what I'm saying is this. You was the face of the URL at one point. But this is what you notice. Every time URL has a face, it gets replaced. So Smack's the boss. Smack pays you what he wants to pay you. Because right now, as we speak, you can't go to Smack and negotiate over 100,000 for a battle. You won't get that from Smack right now. You don't carry yourself like that. You know, you look up to Smack like a boss, and Smack treats you like an employee. Okay, it's a whole different ballgame when you're dealing with Cassidy now. You're dealing with somebody with star power. You're dealing with the highest paid battle rapper. So what you getting upset about? You're getting emotional for. Something's bothering you. Something's not resonating with you. You're getting emotional like a lot of other battle rappers that are emotional towards Cassidy. Even though you done that song with him, and on that song you were super hot. Okay? I even think you had the battle verses on that song. You went harder on that song. I've got a lot of guns. I even think you went harder on that song than Cassidy did. Okay? Your verses were harder than Cassidy's on that song. Than Cassidy's verses on that song. I'm going to admit that, right? You got gun bars, you got bars. But what I'm saying, like, why don't you battle Cassidy? We could settle this whole thing. You're emotional. Come out and battle Cassidy, right? Don't try talking about you're getting defense Surf and then call Cassidy your big homie. It's not your big homie. You got something against him. And it's not based on your opinion, it's based on your emotions and how you're carrying yourself and how you're acting on a situation that had nothing to do with you. But you call it Cave Gang. And you know you're not a gangster. Because if you was a gangster, you would have dealt with CC. If you was a gangster when you was on stage getting ready to fight, you would have gotten fights. You just act like you're ready to fight, but you're not ready to fight. Okay? You gotta buckle up. Okay? Buckle up. Don't come at the GOAT like that. Just say you want to battle. I want to see the battle now. Put yourself in the line of fire. Okay? I'm telling you that I want to see the battle. Battle Cassidy. You could get it next. Okay? But then again, you might not want to promote the battle because you might not get nothing with the pay-per-views. So you got that type of mentality. You're jealous and envious like the rest of it. And like I said, it's a right to have an opinion and say he lost or won. It's a right for you to say you're better than him. Oh, that's all good. But once you start getting bright and feisty, talking about don't come over at the Cave Gang, don't come over her. Surf's not no top tier battler. Okay? You got gun bars, but you're predictable. And you lost that battle to Chess. You lost that battle to Hollow. Okay? You lost that battle to Rum Nitty too. Rum Nitty beat you the first and the third round in that battle. Okay? And you did beat Goats, but don't contest the GOAT. Settle it in the ring. Right? because Cassidy's not getting back down. Arsenal's next, and then you're after Arsenal if you want to. Don't keep on getting playing like you're his friend, and when something comes up with one of your friends, you're trying to jump in like you're some soldier. You're not a soldier, you're not a gangster. This is Jamal House of Sports and Entertainment. Feel free to curse me out. It's battle rap and entertainment. I'm not going to take it personal.